Just a day after the devastating earthquake that hit Kathmandu in Nepal, leaving at least 1,900 people dead. There have been very strong aftershocks that were felt even here in India just a few minutes ago. In fact, large parts of North and East India, Delhi, West Bengal, Bihar, UP, most of these states feeling the tremors very strongly just a short while ago. In fact, according to the US Geological Survey, these aftershocks measured 6.7 on the Richter scale and were registered at a shallow depth of 10 kilometers. Obviously the aftershocks scaring people. Once again, remember, there have been more than 50 deaths in UP, Bihar and West Bengal, and therefore when these aftershocks occurred just a few minutes ago, people did rush out of their homes in many parts. You can see pictures that we are getting from Lucknow now of so many people rushing out of their homes, not wanting to take any chances. We're getting pictures from Lucknow. These are, of course, pictures from Patna. People in many parts of North and East India strongly feeling those tremors a short while ago and rushing out of their homes in a state of panic, not wanting to take any chances. As we've been saying, more than 50 people died in yesterday's earthquake, whose epicenter was in fact in Kathmandu, which of course has borne the brunt of this earthquake, with more than 1,900 people losing their lives there in Kathmandu. All right, so, well, as we've been saying, things really getting tougher and tougher for people in Kathmandu. If it can be so frightening for people here in India, one can only imagine the trauma of what of the people in Kathmandu and what they've been going through since yesterday. All right, I'm told I can now go across to my colleague Neha Masi, who joins us live from Kathmandu, ground zero really of yesterday's devastating earthquake that has left at least 1,900 people dead and so many others injured. Neha, you've been reporting on how people have been living in so much fear already. Many spent the night out in the open, refusing to go back home because of the fear of aftershocks. And just a few minutes ago, we had such a powerful aftershock measuring 6.7 on the Richter scale. What are people there saying? This must be an impossibly difficult time for them.
Absolutely, Neha. It was almost like another quake, and this was the fourth sense since the morning. So after every 2 hours or so, there is a tremor and people are absolutely alarmed. They do not know what to do. And just when things seem to have been settling down, the most recent one, took place in the afternoon, which was also felt, of course, in Delhi. I'm in this area called the New Road, and behind me is a densely populated area where some of the buildings have developed tracks. So the police was trying to evacuate people from there right now, and you can still see some people coming out with their belongings, whatever they can manage to pick up from their houses and run out. Across the road is of course an open field where many of them have taken shelter. This has been the place where a lot of people since last night have been living in under tents. So really there are thousands of people now and of course more and more numbers joining in. And let's speak to some of the people here who've actually left their homes and come here. Kitna bada jhatka tha aaj wala?
Actually the shock is very much huge. Actually the duration is very less, but the shock is totally out of control. I don't know what is going over here. It is a very massive earthquake. What I'm feeling, the whole Nepal was feeling, you can't experience. But you can understand our need, that what we are feeling, but you can't experience us. So I don't know what is going over in Nepal. This is a very massive disaster is going over here from yesterday.
Right.
So please God help us. I don't know. We people are apparently restless. We don't know what to do in this.
Very difficult time.
Very difficult time for us to.
Is your family safe? Have you come out with all your family?
Actually, my family is very safe, and thank you so much God for that. But I'm wondering totally about the people who have lost their lives.
What about your friends and your relatives?
Actually, everyone is fine, but we are in super tense. They are just thinking what is going over in Nepal. They are totally confused and perplexed. Please God, help us, help us, help us.
Right, of course, Neha. So, pleas of help to God now from the citizens. Tell me, is this entire area now evacuated? Because these are really old structures which can potentially fall and cause more damage.
Actually, this area is very old place. देखा जाए तो 500 साल से भी पुराना एरिया था जो
अच्छा।
नेपाल का राणा शासन का समय था। उस टाइम पे कंस्ट्रक्शन हुआ एरिया था, हिस्टोरिकल एरिया था नेपाल का। और देखा जाए तो कुछ वीक भी हो गया था इस टाइम पर ये। और जो 7.9 रिक्टर का भूकंप आया कल 12 बजे को, करेक्ट नेपाली टाइम था उस टाइम। ये नेपाल का हिस्टोरी देखा जाए तो ये सेकंड था। इसीलिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ओल्ड प्लेस जो बहुत साल पहले बना था उस टाइप का कंस्ट्रक्शन डिस्ट्रॉयड हो गया है।
और अभी भी सब लोग भाग के निकल के आ रहे हैं, तो पैनिक काफी है लोगों में।
हाँ, पैनिक बहुत है। अभी देखा जाए तो कल से भी 72 आवर बीबीसी ने भी वार्निंग दिया था, 72 आवर कभी भी हो सकता है। इसीलिए 72 आवर सबको केयरफुल रहना है। अभी भी कुछ 1 घंटे पहले आई थिंक 5 और 6 रिक्टर का था।
6 आया, तो अभी भी डर है बहुत लोगों को।
अभी भी डर है और अभी भी 24 आवर तक हो सकता है ये।